Enugu governor, which is Peter Mbah, have told the schools to be opening on Monday, that any school that opens is going to give them some money for them opening on Monday. No be smart, things are happening. They say one bishop don't come outside or say they must force Tinubu to obey the court order and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Things are really happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smarty, no. As they look, they close our eyes, they open, they say many things don't they happen, no. I will not even know. And those things will now will carry come. News no they finish for here, and I will say more bring and can't give una more. Now they see waiting they go on for the country where would they. A lot of things is going on wrong, which is no one is talking about it. Let's look into the Ogwenge news we will get for hand today. No be small thing. They say the governor will be Peter Mbah for Enugu State. Don't talk say make schools they open. Say those schools were open, he go pass, go investigate them, and he go give them some money. According to the voice note we leak online, where we say the people will do the military together with the governor. One of them is vomiting this from his mouth. So we will go play you the voice, may you listen. Then we'll come back, continue. May you listen to the voice.
Good morning, proprietors. I know that today is almost like a public holiday for most of us. From the last visit we had with the governor and the continuous conversation Napsesco have been having with him, he's poised to encourage us to start school on Monday. In his speech, he told us that since he took office, that about 9 Mondays now, nothing has happened in Enugu, not because they don't want it to happen, but because he's poised with making sure that it doesn't happen by providing security and to go. I also agreed with him to some length because last Monday there were hold up in different parts of Enugu, there were good movement, and that I know that we don't go to school because we just want to be sure. This morning, he has confirmed to me that he's sending the toll-free number apart from the one he gave us before, in case of emergency, which we are not praying for. But he is rather trying to do something so great. He told me that he will be inspecting school on Mondays. And those of us who are taking the pain to be coming to school on Mondays, he will reward. In fact, I don't want to mention his plan, but I know that it's going to be huge. So by that, I don't want it to look like it was told to some strategic people and governor came to their school and either gave them house or buses or whatever. I want everybody to know about it so that if you can encourage your children to be coming to school on Mondays, you may be lucky being one of the schools that he will inspect. I know that even if it is one student that he meets in your school, you are going to be happy about his reaction, because he said that he's going to implement it by using incentive and using sanction, but he's going to start with incentive. So I just want to break the news to all of you, so that when you come to your school, you won't meet empty school or a school that is locked. If you encourage your parents, it's not by force, but some of us who have been going to school on Monday, we are having a good turnout and children are learning. So it's not things that you shout about, it's just encourage your parents to come to school on Monday. Let's see whether we can kill the monster, not by force, but by dialogue and by strategy. Thank you and God bless you all.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As I've watched and listen to that voice conversation by this, if it is a school teacher or principal or whoever, we don't actually know. But what we know is that is one of those private schools is also encouraging other schools to open in Enugu State. that the governor has promised that he's going to visit the schools and give them some money. But the question here is, where is the security that this governor are providing to you people? The governor Mbah, the question you people will ask, whose school is this man children going? Is they going to school on Mondays? This is the answer you have to give yourself. So my people, not allow all those governors to put you into wahala or into problem. I'm not saying that the children should not go to school. Children should go to school, but what is the genesis of all this problem that is going on now? Let it be solved. Let them start talking the main point of what is happening, and let the problem treated from the root, not them beating around the bush. So this is my own stand on this particular side. Let us go and look into the one policeman that ran into a shop for a safety. I want to play this video, and I will come back and talk more regarding that video.
Chigudu, sit down, no come out here. No come out here. You wear uniform, guy. They come out. Where you want to go? They for your guy.
They for kill.
They for your guys.
All of them.
None of them.
All of them.
They for. Thank God.
God, thank you. Thank you.
We got chillax, you. They don't come out, guy. But you stay there. You wear uniform. Come out this. If you come out the polo, come out the up one. Who you they call? No, they call anybody. Guy, calm down. Make everything subside. Now police people, because of this people come. I beg. Jesus, guy. They attack police for my front, guy. Everybody run. The other guy wait there, guy, see blood. Oh no, guy. Hey, now so person they die, you. Straight bullet, I ain't touch that guy. You better say the guy they come up from down on the side. Come on, no be small thing, guy. You now so me I run. Oh. Thank God. You say none of your policemen for. Thank God. Oh. Hey, nah, guy. Okay, we go there. You go there like. Make sure say no go outside. I mean go outside for you.
No, guy. One day we tell that guy. If we tell that guy, I will apply the money. What's that now? Go down to now.
What's okay now, my guy? No, so now I get also a while.
Yeah, welcome back, my people. So I've watched that video. Actually, this happened in Biafra land, where unknown gunmen attacked them. But actually, some people are saying that this is old video. But there's something I want this video especially is meant for police people and the military. You remember that this man ran into this shop for safety, but assume that some of them was die within that premises. The military will come in and burn down the same shop that serve you. If this young man who is videoing this are the owner of this shop, do you know that he would like to go and look for this unknown gunmen and join them? When he see you, in fact, he will shoot you like a chicken. So most of things that are happening today, we are the one creating. You people are the one who is creating it. Look at how they save you, how they save this policeman. Even suggesting for him to run through the back door. The same people, you will come back and start burning their shop. Unprofessional people everywhere. You have to go back to school and learn things concerning police. Hello, my wonderful people. Not be smart, you know. And so we'll see them today. Now, so we'll bring and come give on now. Stay tuned as they bring her back to back. We must make Tinubu obey the law by releasing Nnamdi Kanu, say Enugu Archbishop Chukwuma. No be smart, you know. Let's look more details about this and see what made this bishop go ahead. Go they talk this kind of thing. This is what they should be talking, not to go and kidnap Simon Ekpa and have to go and bomb people's house. He said the Archbishop of Enugu Province and the Bishop of Enugu Diocese, Anglican Communion Church of Nigeria, Most Reverend Father Emmanuel Mbah, has called on President Bola Tinubu government to release Nnamdi Kanu to the Ohaneze Ndị Igbo worldwide, led by Chief Emmanuel Iwanyawo. No be small thing, no. As you don't see am, e don dey shele, e don dey happen. The fear of wetin dey go on, everybody don dey speak out. But this thing na wetin we dey shout since, make una rise up, because Nnamdi Kanu assume that their court say that Nnamdi Kanu did something and for this he's being in prison. That one is different case. Then they will now say, okay, let them plead to this, to that. But this one is that the court has said that Nnamdi Kanu has no case. So the question is, why are they still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Why he has no case in their own court? So nobody is asking this question. However, let's go and look into the update that's coming from Iwanyawo himself regarding what he said today, and also we are going to look into the reply of Simon Ekpa to Iwanyawo. I am ready to lay down my life for peace in Southeast, Ohaneze President Iwanyawo have said. And he also went ahead to go that he must flee to Finland in order to meet Simon Ekpa. But Simon Ekpa don't call reply, say, Iwanyawo, you are a liar. You cannot lay your life for Southeast. What a funny response. Hey, my people, things are really happening. Ohaneze Ndị Igbo should work with Southeast governors, the youth of all the whole Southeast, in order to have one voice and make one demand: unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. When Nnamdi Kanu is out, then what is Nnamdi Kanu asking for? Referendum for the people to decide their fate. People of Biafra to decide their fate in Nigeria. That should be granted as well. But holding Nnamdi Kanu and beating around the bush will not solve any problem. President Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, Sir Iwanyawo, please go and sit down. You know, there is others in Igbo that say, okenye na adu nwata odu, nwata na adukwa okenye odu. If you people can listen to the voice of people who are speaking out, listen to the voice, and it's very simple. Igbo are always know in this particular area. When Igbo man don't calculate things in multiple ways, but it's common sense is what Igbo man has used to become what it is today. Common sense. What other tribe think so many ways? What other tribe think so many ways? An Igbo man think it one way, and he go and achieve it and come. They will not be surprised. Where they are doing an agreement, Igbo man is there doing his business. So the Southeast leaders should use common sense in this and stop letting this changerweed to be using you people. My people, and so we see them today, and I will say more carry and come give una. Today we will end up for here, and stay tuned as we bring you more updates coming. But don't forget to share this video, share this particular video, very important. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, also follow our Facebook page.